Doosan Robotics buys ONExia for $25.9 million. Game-changing move towards AI-powered automation. Doosan Robotics has just acquired 89.59% stake in US-based automation firm ONExia for $25.9 million. That's a strategic move and a serious investment to expand Doosan's global footprint. ONExia, founded back in 1984 and based in Pennsylvania, specializes in end-to-end automation. They've made a name for themselves in manufacturing, logistics and packaging, especially for end-of-line tasks like palletizing and box assembly. Not the flashy jobs, but crucial ones where automation shines. With an average of 30% annual growth and 25 years of automation data under its belt, ONExia brings valuable experience to the table. Doosan plans to use the data to boost its AI capabilities and shift from being just a hardware provider to offering smarter, more integrated robotic solutions. Doosan CEO Kevin Kim says that this marks a key milestone in the global strategy. And alongside the acquisition, the company is ramping up R&D, hiring AI and software specialists, and preparing to launch a new innovation center. In short, Doosan isn't just building robots, it's building the future of intelligent automation. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.